Welcome to the Barrington Public Library. My name is Vince Wicker. I am the president of the Barrington Library Foundation. Many people in town might not know about how the library gets all of its funding, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. First of all, the majority of the funding for the library comes from the municipal budget, which comes from the town. It also comes from the state, and we supplement that with grants. But there are a tremendous number of programs and other capital expenditures inside the library that we support through the foundation. The foundation is committed to supporting the library through upgrades to the building, from smaller projects such as the study rooms we've just completed, to larger projects such as the renovation of the upstairs of the library that happened in 2017. The foundation recognizes that a changing community requires a changing library. And I know I speak for not only myself, but the other members of our foundation board when I say that we look forward to continuing to support the library and future renovations to come. The foundation holds an annual appeal each year to raise money to support the library in as many ways as we can. Additionally, throughout the year, we do accept other gifts such as memorial donations. When you support the foundation, you're supporting the library not just for today or the next program, but you're supporting the library for many, many tomorrows to come.
Ever since I was a child, I have loved libraries for the books. But these days, there are so many additional reasons that the library is valuable to the community. Like public libraries across the country, our library welcomes everyone, with our mission being to provide free access to empowering and life-enriching knowledge. Here we are in the computer area near the reference desk, where staff members are available to help with any computer needs. These computers provide reference material for some patrons, but other patrons use it as a lifeline if they do not have access to computers at home. Other resources available to you are computer courses and programs. In addition, you can make reservations to get one-on-one help. Computer courses are just some of the many programs that are offered to all patrons of the library, whether children, teens, adults, seniors, or families. And all courses and programs are absolutely free.
I've always adored libraries, being able to come and find stories and work with talented people who want to help you find new ideas and new authors. But I love the quiet spaces as well, the ability to sit in a chair and read a book or immerse myself in a magazine. I love the fact that I was able to write the bulk of my first novel sitting in the Chapin study room on the second floor, or at a desk down here in the stacks. Now we've opened new study rooms that are going to make that resource available to many more people. And that was made possible by community donations, donations from the Friends, a memorial donation, and a donation from the foundation. Because we want the library to be a resource for everyone in the community. And it becomes better every year thanks to contributions from community members like you.
The teen room at Barrington Public Library is such a welcoming and accepting place for teens in our community. Afternoons and evenings find it filled with kids, and the use that it gets is a testament to its importance. The resources that our library provides for middle and high school age kids are wonderful. The selection of young adult books and graphic novels is top-notch, and the programming focused on what they care about is unbelievable. I think that by inviting young adults into the library in a way that is specifically designed to appeal to them, we have decor, the knickknacks, the toys, the games. All of these resources let teens know that we want them to be here in the library, making themselves at home. And it also shows that our community cares about and values them.
So my daughter has been attending the Barrington Library's children's rooms, activities, and story times since she's been about 9 months old, and it has been a wonderful environment for her to learn and grow and really become part of the Barrington community. The space is just beautiful, and it's new and it's inviting. The librarians here have just been absolutely wonderful. They interact with the kids and really foster a love of learning and reading.
The Foundation believes that having an informed staff of librarians who are up to date with the latest services and trends is integral to the library's success. The Professional Development Fund was established to allow our librarians to attend state, regional, and national conferences. Our staff takes full advantage of this fund and uses the conferences to spark innovative ideas and learn how to serve our community better. Still, they give back by volunteering on committees within professional organizations, taking on speaking and presenting roles at conferences. In fact, this October, 2 of our librarians will be presenting at the New England Library Association's annual conference in Springfield, Mass. They will talk about our Dial a Spooky Story and our Dial a Poem programs, giving tips and tricks for how other libraries can expand access and bring similar programs to their communities. The Professional Development Fund is another example of how committed the trustees are to the success of our library.
I like to think of donations to the library as community members helping community members, but also memorializing and paying tribute to community members that are no longer with us. One such space created by one of these donations is the Jennifer English Gallery that I'm standing in right now. This is a space where we can provide viewing of local artists, beautiful artworks, and also time for contemplative solitude that keeps the memory of a beloved community member alive.
Our library welcomes us as a community hub for people of all ages and backgrounds, where we can come together to freely enjoy the resources of the Barrington Public Library. From the young child experiencing her first story hour to students who use the library throughout their educational career, and adults who return to participate in classes, lectures, concerts, to take out books or ebooks or audiobooks, or to use the space for work or research. I support the library, not just for myself, but for my family and my neighbors. I believe a strong local library makes for a strong local community. I'm proud to support the Barrington Public Library, and I hope you will too.